Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and somebody sent me this file and they think the thing's enclosed, but it will not fill. As you can see, it just leaks through. So my suggestion on something like that, and the reason I put the rectangle, I do that every time, so it just won't keep filling. We're gonna click on this object, and you can see it's two halves, so it's not connected. So let's go to View and look at it in wireframe. And then if we zoom in on these nodes, they're not connected. So take your shape tool and just move one of them over. Hold down your shift key and select both of them, then select both of them. Go up to Windows, Dockers, Join Curves, and I have mine set on 0.1. Let me select them again and then hit apply, and now it's one node. And the same thing down here. They're really not connected, they're not even close. So let's move one of them in a little bit, one of them in a little bit, join them both and hit apply. No, that should have worked. Let me zoom in a little bit more. Wireframe always makes it look a little funny. Yeah, they're joined together. Now we can look at it back, view, and enhanced. I'm still going to put a rectangle around, so in case it leaks, I'm going to get the Smart Fill tool, and voila, it's filled in. I don't know what their plan is with it, but that's what will happen. Now, I did, I maybe changed the, and this is evidently a line that's filled in with some colors. If you go to View and Wireframe, in case you change one of those lines more than the other, you can Control D and always have your duplicate distance on 0, 0, and this is Y. Control D and duplicate that guy and then mirror it. And you see we changed the configuration. It's not a perfect heart. Now, if you want it to be a perfect heart, just go back to View and Enhance, and you can see where it's off. And now you have a perfect heart if you want to do that same, whatever they did. And I'm not saying the heart wasn't perfect at all at first, but I did change some nodes, so it's not going to work. But, I mean, that's probably good enough right there. It's just not 100% symmetrical. So evidently they created an object and smart filled it with a pattern. Anyway, I hope that answered their question, and thank you for watching.